Iron Trader, it is Wednesday about 5:20. Now the API report came out here at 4:30, and it was very bullish. Huge draw in crude and in gasoline. So we have to look at the EIA report tomorrow at 11 a.m. to see if it confirms. So the pits close here at 2:30. So we are, as usual, going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Huge, all drawn right out, nice for us. Okay, upside. Let's take a look at the upside. First of all, we want to do is look at yesterday's candle. The high is 88.07. That's where it needs to be closed above. Today's high did pretty good, got 88.08. So you're right there, okay? But it closed here just a little bit below that, okay, at 87.58. So this is the candle you want to close above here, is this 88.07. Now, again, if it does, then we just look right to the left here. So what we want to do is look at this candle right here. You're looking at 88.68 here. Then we have 89.84. Then you have 90.10. Okay, then what we do, we start looking more to the left of the candle here. So then we look here, okay, you have 91.35, and then you have 92.87, and then you have your retest here, 93.74. This right here is where this is headed. This is your target here at 93.74. Again, if it closes above that, well, then we're going to go higher. But right now, that's the target. See how you had it? It hit it, and then retested it, and then it fell right on down, and then sideways action. So usually when that happens, you get that double top, you go right back, and you basically going to retest it, and that's where we're headed here now. Okay, but what we want to watch here is you want to watch this RSI. See how overbought this thing is getting here? You're way above that 70 mark. However, you do have a nice bullish cross here on your MACD. That's very, very bullish, where this can just basically go up and then go sideways action here too. Okay, so let's look here on the downside. Let me just big this up a little bit here. Okay, so what you want to do here is look where this came down to. See this candle here? This is 86.06, and then what is today's low? 85.93. See, okay, there's your support levels here. Okay, that is going to be your support levels here. Okay, so then what we want to do is you want to look at today's low. Okay, so you want to look at 85.93. Okay, then we want to look at this candle right here, looking at 85.02, and then this is going to be your critical candle right here at 84.89, because that there was where the breakout is. And then again, if that's lost here, then we come over here. You got 84.65, you have 83.81, and then your key support levels here is 83.38. That's your 8 SMA, and then right below it is your 21 SMA. Now, this, look how nice and bullish this is. See how it went all the way up? Came down, and now she's rallying right on up again. But again, watch this, make sure, see, everything looks all great, bullish, oh, it's going to go higher, and then she just rolls over. So got to watch where that's going to possibly roll over here again, down the road, and cross over. So always watch these key support levels here all the way on down until you get your 8 and your 21 day, and then we can just follow your candles down until you get down to your 50. But right now, we're not going to worry about that, because this looks definitely higher, especially when you had that bullish report here today. Okay, so you're right there. So just watch all your good stuff here on the left. Okay, so here's what we do. We'll take a look here on a weekly and a monthly chart. Okay, weekly chart. Well, you can see I was always pointing out this key, 100 SMA, 85.84, and now you're above. Okay, so let's look here at this 8 SMA. See this? How that's folding right up here? Came right on down. This was the retest, 83.53. Went higher, but closed below, sold off, but it held, okay, your 50-day, held your 8-day. That was the buying opportunity right there to take this thing higher, okay? So now, again, if this sells, you want to watch that 100. You want to watch this key 83.53, and then we want to watch this 8 SMA here, 82.20, and then your 76.24. Now, again, eventually this will sell off, so always watch this 76.21. Once that falls down, then your target here is 68.77, and if that's lost, you're going to come down here. But right now, this is this total bulls going on right here. Okay, now in your monthly chart here, look how nice this is. You're above all your key SMAs here, and now look where you are right there. sitting at 86.85. Your price right now, real time, is 87.58. So now we're above that, which you can see how your 8-day is rolling up, your 21-day is rolling up, and this just looks very, very nice to go high. Now, I don't know if it's going to retest that number there, but you are going to get up here. I would look for that basically 93.74, so look for the 94 area. Okay, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. Well, you can see how ugly. You had a nice series of higher lows, ran up here, and then look over the cab. 2.865, right there. 2.86, that tells me short. All the way on down. Now look where we are here. It just could not hold that pop, could not get through that 50 SMA here. So now look where this 8 SMA is. Okay, you're below it. Your 21-day, look at this. Complete waterfall going on over here on your hourly chart. Okay, so you hit a low today of 2.50. If we go lower here, what you want to do is look at this candle here. This here is sitting at 2.45, and then if that's lost, 2.42 is your big retest. This looks very bearish here. If you look at this, all your SMAs here, your 8, your 21, you're going to need some kind of a huge catalyst here to turn this around here. Or if we could put in a double bottom here at this 4.5 level here, or this 4.2 level. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly, you were doing pretty good, but now you lost this 2.64. Okay, so now that becomes resistance, and look where 2.51. Your price is sitting at 2.52. So this is going to be very key support, and that's lost. Then we just follow these candles all the way and down. Okay, so you got basically the low on that is well, this here is pretty low here. Just look at that 2.20 here. But what we want to do is just keep watching these candles here, looking at that all the way down here to the 195. If this is lost here, again, if that's a question here, it could rebound here very, very easily. But you can see how these candles here at 2.20, okay, 2.17, 2.13, all the way on down here. If this key level right here at sitting at 2.42 is lost, it can be there in a heartbeat. All right, let's look here on your daily chart here, which is looking pretty ugly. Okay, right here, what you have? Nice double top, that candle, this candle, double top, boom, down she goes. Now, we want to watch this 2.49, that 100 SMA. If not, come down here, 2.45, and then retest at 2.42. On the upside here, well, first of all, you want to look at this 8, 2.65, and this is all clustered right together, 2.65, and then your 21 at 2.66. If this can turn around and get back up, watch this candle on top of this. Here's your gap, 2.708, and then watch the bottom of that, 2.735. There's your gap, there's your fill, and then look to the top of that candle at 2.86. This is your double top. You need to close above if you're going to have any chance to go higher. But always watch that gap and fill, because eventually, yeah, that gets filled. It's like a magnet to a fridge. All right, now what this needs is a catalyst going higher. Now you got winter coming up here. Hurricane season looks like it's going to be good for oil here, not so much for natty gas. So we got to see how this all going to shake out here, but don't have an opinion. Today I scalped the cold KOLD. That was a really good trade. If we can hold this price channel here, which so far we are, then, we can basically, scalp along here. You know what I'm saying? But your price channels right now are intact. If that's lost, then we just keep on following this all the way on down. All right, I'll have more for you on crude oil and natty gas tomorrow before 8 o'clock, and thanks for watching.